That's I'm literally going to open 3 instances of my textbook during my test. So I am taking a take-home test. That was fun. There you go. 3. Those are 3 things there. My 3 chapters in my textbook are going to be chapter 7, 8, and 9. So, chapter 7, chapter 8, so 7, 8, 9. I'm going to also, dang it, I could barely breathe through my nose. Dang it. Chapter 7, PowerPoint. I already downloaded all this. Okay. Oh, wait just a second. No, our test is not going to cover chapter 10 because we just started chapter 10. We're not going to cover that in our test. Please. That'd be funny if there was embarrassing stuff in the list of downloads. Let's see. How did I not download chapter 7 PowerPoint? Seriously? I thought I downloaded it. It's funny. I have chapter 10, which I don't even need. Chapter 8. Dude, I downloaded chapter 7. I thought, what happened to that? I'm certain I downloaded it. Dang it. I have chapter 6 here. Where's chapter 7? Are you kidding me? Maybe I just didn't download it. I have chapter 8, and that's it. I'm certain. Why? I would have downloaded chapter 10. I should have. I mean, not 9. I have 9 and 8. I just don't have 7. That's the only one I don't have. As far as I can tell. It doesn't seem like I have it. Yeah, see, it would have said 1 if it was a repeat download. So, this is a bit excessive, but I'm going to get a very good grade on this test. That was funny. I kind of need to do well because I did poorly on the last test. That's funny. So now we have 7, 8, and 9. Chapter 7, Investments. Chapter 8, Individual Income Tax Computation and Tax Credits. Chapter 9, Business Income Deductions and Accounting Methods. We have chapter 7, 8, and 9. We have chapter 7, 8, and 9. Also, nothing. Our professor did not post anything else. He did not post any solutions to anything. But I did record the answers to some solutions. But, look at this. Solution take-home quiz? Wait, hold on a second. Well, that was a while ago. He posted... Is there anything else I can look at? I don't know. Like some Excel spreadsheet or something. And I have the feeling that part A is going to be multiple choice and part B is going to be problems, but I'm not sure. Because this one only has 7 questions, whereas the other one has 19 questions. So maybe part A is multiple choice, and also you get 2 attempts, which is kind of insane, actually. He's like, I wonder if everyone did really badly on the first test. Time to waste time by looking and seeing what the average grade on the last test was. And weirdly enough, he never graded a part of our last test. So I have no idea if he's ever going to grade that. So the median score was a 49 out of 70. So the median score was a 70%. 70% was the median. C minus, basically, the bottom of a C minus, that's fine, was the median. So anyways, that's fine. I did slightly above average, but not too well. I was just below the upper quartile, so like it's like pretty much you could say that I was in the around the 75th percentile of the class. That was funny for this test. So anyway, stuff. So this is going to be multiple choice. It's unlimited time. So I should not even be scared at all. I should not be scared because it's unlimited time. And you get 2 attempts. What? That's so easy. You get 2 attempts. I could probably, even if I had no freaking clue what I was doing, I could probably end up with, unless it doesn't tell you, unless it doesn't show you the results. Man, that would suck. If it didn't show me the results, then what's the point of having 2 attempts? What is the point of having 2 attempts if you're not going to show me the result? Or like which ones I got wrong? Because then the second attempt doesn't help me at all. So unlimited time. I have until midnight today to complete the take-home test. That was funny. That was funny. Also, that was I don't want to take the test. That was funny. I'm going to fail this test. I'm going to fail this test. I'm going to fail this test. I'm going to fail the test. I'm going to fail the test. I'm going to fail the test. And the 2 attempts will be completely pointless because there will be no way to tell unless he allows you to see like which question you got wrong or which one you got 0 points on or something like that. Like, please at least allow us to see which ones were wrong so that we could try to correct the ones that were wrong. But make it on a setting where it basically shows you which one was wrong, but it doesn't show you which answer is the correct answer. That is the ideal setting if you want us to have 2 attempts, because if you give us 2 attempts and okay, I wonder if he used the names of our classmates. Maybe that was probably just coincidence, because I don't see any other names from our classmates. There's too many math questions. Whoa, I thought you loved math. I mean, this is a ridiculous amount of questions. And this is like actually kind of like a fourth. Well, this part is actually, a third. Basically a third of our test is this. 19 questions is a third of our test. Awesome. Just awesome. And also when we finish, maybe he did use classmates names. Yeah, because Jada's a classmate. Bryce, yeah, I think he used classmates' names. He made up his own questions. I don't know. A couple of the names I just didn't recognize, like Aaron is somebody in our class named Aaron, Glenn, Cassie, Carol, Brian, Shelly, Jenna. That's funny. I'm going to skip all the math questions. Well, actually, if it doesn't involve any calculations, you donated inventory to the church. Purchased it for $100,000. It had a fair market value of $92,000. Maximum deduction for the year if AGI is $200,000. So I believe it's like 60% of $200,000 on ordinary income property or something. So 60%, like what is half of that? 100,000. So probably it's going to end up being 100,000, but I'm not going to do it right now. That's funny. Yeah, I'd be totally screwed if... wait just a minute here. Yeah, I'd be... How much interest expense may he deduct this year? Yeah, that one, I don't know. I probably don't know most of these questions because, dang my life. Man, like, why do I spend so much time studying these chapters and Yet I can't answer any of these questions. So, do you cancel out the... Oh my gosh. Do you cancel out the hobby expenses with the... Like, do you take the hobby income and the hobby expenses? Like, do you count the hobby income, but you don't count the expenses? What? Oh no. Come on. How do I not know any of these questions? This is a bit like how it felt on our last test. I ended up with a 54 out of 70 somehow. That was fun. Okay, this one's easy. I can do this one. That's fine. First, stop. Business credits. I don't remember if business credits are refundable. It doesn't even matter because you do the 400 first, then 200, and then 700. So you'll get the refund. You will get the refund because you first use the non-refundable, then you use the business credits, and you'll still be left with some refundable afterwards. So you're good. So anyways, you have $1,300 of credits. $1,300 of credits. It's going to be a $300 refund. Because when you cancel it out with the thingamajiggamajige, that's one. Your maximum refund. Well, I don't remember how you deal with the business credits, but it doesn't matter in this question. So D is $300 refund. So like I'm overthinking the easiest question on the planet right now, so because I have infinite time basically to do this stuff. I don't have infinite time because I have only until 11:59 p.m. That's fine. Stop. So I believe her alternative minimum tax is going to be $2,000. That's actually pretty simple because I actually downloaded a picture of the alternative minimum thingy, and it's basically you just take the tentative to minus the regular. That was funny. Tentative minimum tax minus regular tax equals alternative minimum tax. See? So you take this minus this, and your alternative minimum tax is $2,000. So there. Man, why does my entire life depend on this? Seriously, the thing I'm doing right now, my entire life depends on it. Yep, that's right. If I don't do this, my life falls apart. Isn't that great? Not added back to regular taxable income. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Have to look that one up. I don't know. I would have no idea. So this is one I've done a few different. This type of question I've done a few times. So we're good. That was funny. So 2000. Wait, what if I just copy the text? Like, that was funny. So it's gonna be long-term capital gain, long-term capital negative 9000. So which one is bigger, this or this? Short term. So you have 3,000 short term. Short term. It's going to be 3,000 of short term capital gain. 3,000 of short term capital gain. 3,000 of short term capital gain. 3,000. That was funny. So, dude, imagine if if it doesn't show you the answers. Like, what if I have to do a bunch of these questions twice, just because of the 2 attempts thing? Like, that's gonna be fun. Well, I'm almost certainly gonna do this thing twice because I'm probably gonna get some stuff wrong, and then we have to do it all again to try to get everything correct. Employed in Texas and recently attended a two-day business conference at the request of her employer. Spent the entire time at the conference and documented her expenditures. What amount can she deduct if she is not reimbursed by her employer? So it says that you can deduct airfare. Okay, so this is funny. This is funny. It doesn't specify where the meals were at. It doesn't specify. But maybe there won't be an option. Yes! Yes, thanks, Professor. You didn't specify where the meals were at. Were they at restaurant or not? And was it in the year 2022? Because look at this. You won't be able to know. You won't. Hold on. Lodging. So $24.50, $25, $26, $30. Dude, the A is if you include the full thing, and B is if it's half. It doesn't even specify. It doesn't specify if there's restaurants. Well, I'm going to say B. And guess what? A and D are the same. A and D are the same answer. I'm going to answer B. If B was wrong, okay. We have 2 attempts, so I'm just going to answer B. That was funny, that was funny, that was funny, that was funny, that was funny. That was funny. That was funny. No, A is not. No, B is not. I don't know about C. I don't know. Professional hockey tickets. Okay, so entertainment is some... I think there's a limitation on entertainment. I believe D is completely deductible because D is worded extremely weirdly, but I believe it is deductible. So D. Which of the following tax credits is fully refundable? So that one, I don't remember the answer, but I'm going to look it up because it's very easy. I think it's earned income credit. Earned income credit. So, refundable. This is refundable, right? Is it fully refundable or... I have to look it up now in the textbook. Refundable. So, is it entirely refundable? I think so. So, earned income credit is C. And then 11, which of the following taxpayers, all age 40, is required to file a tax return? Let's see. Which of the following taxpayers are required to file a return? There's like a minimum income or something. I can look in Chapter 8, I guess. Let's see. Dang it. Where it would be in Chapter 8, but just where is it? Filing requirements. Here. No, dude. I thought it would be here. Where's the thresholds that it has to pass? Where are the specifics? In general, they are simply the applicable to standard deduction amount. So just look at the standard deduction. You didn't even tell me where to look for this. Are you serious? This is stupid. That's fine. If I just look at the standard deduction, it doesn't even specify what the requirements are. It doesn't specify them. It doesn't specify the filing requirements. Not fair. Not a fair question, Professor. He obviously didn't read the textbook. He just made up the questions and just assumed that this information would be in the textbook, but it's not. What's the standard deduction? We're just going to look up the standard deduction for all these. Standard deduction, marriage filing jointly. Is $27,700. No. $25,900. It's above the standard deduction. We're going to say that Jenny and Jim, that was funny, have to file. Standard deduction single. $12,950. So that means Alan does not have to file. Timmy, head of household, $15,000. Whoops. $19,400. Timmy does not have to file. Alan does not have to file. Jenny and Jim have to file, I believe, according to standard deduction. That was funny. Mariana has an AGI of $38,000 from earned income and 2 qualifying children and is filing as head of household. What amount of earned income credit? Oh, fun. I'm just going to skip it because I don't feel like doing the math right now. It's not even that complicated, though. Really, it's not that complicated. You just look at a table, basically. Where's the table? It's not even that complicated of a thing. Where's the table? So, we have 2 qualifying children, head of household, $38,000. Oh my gosh, there's too much information to keep track of. That was funny. It's gonna be complicated because they have their income is a little bit too high. So I'm gonna skip it then. It was gonna be simple if their income was lower. Net investment. What is additional tax that will pay on net investment income? I believe net investment. Okay. So it's going to be additional taxes? Where's the... Here. Dude, you would think it'd be here. Oh, it is here. But what's the... How high does your income have to be to have to pay this? lesser of net investment income or the excess of modified adjusted gross income over 250,000. Something for married separate filers and other. Well, this is fun. At least I know how to do it. So what is 304,000? So the lesser of what? Lesser of net investment income or the excess of modified adjusted gross income over a certain amount of money. Single. So it's a single filer, so therefore it's the excess over what? The excess of that over 200,000, so it's 104,000. So the lesser, and this is not less than 53,000, so he will pay a tax of the 53,000, and the 53,000 times what? 53,000 times 3.8%. 53,000 times 0.038 is going to be $2,014. So we got the answer. Number 14. Man, this is taking forever. This is only half the test. No, this is a third of the test, but basically it's going to be like around half the test for today. Oh my gosh. How long have I been? 36 minutes. He uses the van in his business. It was destroyed. Okay. It's the tax basis. You don't care about the 6,000. You don't care because it's the tax basis. That's you. If you're talking about a tax, you're just going to look at the 5,800. That's my intuition. I'm not entirely sure if that's true, but I think that's because why on earth? Okay, so 5,800 is going to be 5,800. You're going to receive some insurance of 1,200, so you do 5,800 minus 1,200 is the amount of casualty loss deduction is going to be 4,600. And a lot of these I don't have to really try very hard because I get 2 attempts. That's why I would double check a lot more of these, but since you get 2 attempts, it'll save me a bit of time. That was fine. What is this? When must you recognize income? Minimize income recognition. Minimize catering service on accrual method. Receive the payment $9,000 for 18 months of services. If his accounting methods are selected to minimize income recognition, you've got to be kidding me. You say he's on the accrual method, it doesn't matter. Accrual. So it's going to be December 1st of year 1 through May 31st of year 3. How much can you recognize? Well, you're going to recognize the 2 months of that. You're going to be recognizing 2 months. Oh, never mind. It's accrual method. You don't have a choice because it's cash. I mean, it's not a cash, it's accrual. I thought you just simply didn't have a choice. So 2 out of the 36 months, 2 divided by 36 times 9,000. No, it's 18 months time. 2 divided by 18 times 9,000. Stop. 1,000. Hello? How come that is not an option for any of this? It's literally... Maybe it's because the services... It's probably 500 actually because it doesn't start in November. It's December. So it's going to be just 500 recognized in year 1. And now let's see here. Minimize income recognition. You can minimize income recognition. 12 months, 12 divided by 18 for the second year. You could, so times 9,000 is 6,000. Minimize income recognition. Yes. So I believe A is the answer. That's funny. And that was funny. A. Rent. What is the deduction for rent and insurance? Storage business. Insurance on the contents of the warehouse. The rent and insurance cover the next 12 months. Accrual method. Accrual method means that you can only recognize a certain amount. So the total is going to be 66,000 times 66,000 times half of 66,000 is 33,000. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. So you're just going to recognize half of each. It's going to be 24,000 and 9,000. So a lot of these are educated guesses. Well, not really. That's funny. He specifically named this question after me. That's actually no. You know, it's hilarious. There are 2 people named Noah in our class. So actually, no. There's a certain amount of chance that it could be the other Noah. That was funny. No. Dude, I might just guess on most of the questions and then that means I will only have to do work for a very limited amount of questions that I get wrong. That was fun. Hold on. What if some of them are fiscal year? It would have said if it was fiscal year. $1 million for advertising during a super sporting event. You could have just said the Super Bowl. $1 million. Okay, accrual method. You have not performed the thing, so does it not? I don't think it counts because it's. You don't get to recognize it until. Oh, but the problem is there might be an exception here. Darn it. The company paid this for a one-time accrual. Dude. Accrual method. So I believe you can defer the income. Not advanced payments of income, advanced payments of expenses. This is not applicable. Paying an expense. I think it's 0. It's going to be 0. Great, I'm going to get it wrong. After all that effort reading through the rules, I'm going to still get it wrong. Deduction for bad debt expense. So 23,000. So A 19. What is the adjustment? Oh, come on. What does that even mean? What is 481 adjustment? Switch to accrual method. So under accrual method, he would have income of 420,000. Under cash method, he would have income of less income. He's going to switch from having more income to having less income. So therefore, he's switch from having more income to having less income. Increase so at the end of last year, he should have $80,000 less in income. Great. Well, how many do I not have answered? 4. It's gonna really suck if I can't see, if I can't look back. Wait, I said no. Wait. Okay. Number 1. Hey, how? Hello? Where's the charitable contribution thing? What? What? It should be here. It should be right here. Hello? Where's the charitable contributions? Hello? Hello? Where is it? Where is it? Dude, what? Dude, what? Dude, Professor! Professor! This is not from our chapter. This is not from chapter 7, 8, and 9. This is from chapter 6. That's funny. This is from chapter 6. Dude, didn't I download that? Like, this is from our last chapter. Where's the AGI limit? %60 of AGI. What is 60% of 0.6 times 200,000? The limit is 120,000 on ordinary income, cash. Hold on. Capital gain, ordinary income. It's ordinary income property. Lesser of basis. Church is counts as lesser of basis or fair market value. So it's 92,000, 50% of okay, so it's going to be 50%. The limit is 50%. It still hasn't reached the limit, so it's going to be 92,000. C and how much of interest expense may you deduct? Great. Great. Adjusted taxable income. Oh man, this is too complicated. This is funny, this is funny, this is funny, this is funny. How is 4,000 not the answer? Gotta be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me. None of these is the answer, dude. None of them. I thought it was limited to 10,000. This is stupid. Gotta be kidding me. You've gotta be kidding me. Dang it. Oh. It says used to fund portfolio investments. And the only ones that were used to fund portfolio investments is 4,000. It's literally just 4,000. How is that not the answer? What? Come on! Why on earth? Why? It's got to be limited to 10,000. What is this? What is this? What on earth? Net investment income. $10,000 of interest income. That's the investment income. Wait. It's net investment income. Wait. How do you calculate net investment income? Do you basically just say, like, your investment income is 10,000 minus 4,000? This makes no sense. Wait, this makes no sense. That means it would be even less than $10,000. But the minimum amount that's even listed as an answer is 15,000. So this is stupid. That's fine. This is what happens, Professor, when you write your own questions without even reading the textbook. This is what happens. This is freaking great. This wasn't even in chapter 7, 8, or 9. This question is not from 7, 8, or 9. Do you recognize hobby income as income and expenses are not deducted? So basically, I'm just going to guess you increase it by 3,000. Alternative. What do you add back? What can you add back? Plus adjustments. Tax-exempt interest from private activity bond. So this is not the. This is one of the things you can add back. Real property and personal property taxes deducted as itemized deductions. And I believe state taxes. That means home mortgage interest expense is the answer to the question. Because it's not. What amount of earned income credit? Okay, this one I was just too lazy to do earlier. Dude, this is the most confusing thing on Earth. This is the most confusing thing on the planet. Okay, I'm just going to go step by step here. One is earned income. Earned income is $38,000. I'm just going to put this here and then put this here so I can just go like this. Maximum earned income eligible for taxpayers filing as head of household with 2 qualifying children. It's literally the exact same thing as the quiz. So it's 15,410, 15,410. Earned income eligible for credit is the lesser of this and this. Okay, so 15,410. Earned income credit percentage for taxpayer. So it's 40%. Wait, 4. Earned income credit before phase out. This times this. So 6164. It's literally the exact same, so I'm not even going to bother doing the math. Phase out threshold begins at this level. Of AGI 21,130. What is the greater of AGI or earned income? Less the phase out threshold. This minus this. So we're gonna have 38,000 minus 17,870. Phase out percentage is gonna be it's going to be 2106.2106, and then phase out is this times this. And then you do earned income before phase out minus the phase out amount. We got 2,400.5. Is that? Are we done? We only have 2 left, and 2 was the stupid question. Stupid. Oh. This is stupid. I mean, they have a lot of interest expense, but I feel like only 4,000 is the amount that's deductible. Credit card. Can you pay? That's a personal expense. Let's just say this one. Let's say only this one and this one. So I'm just guessing. We have 2 attempts, by the way. And please tell me I can look at... Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? You've got to be kidding me. How did I get that many wrong? 22 out of 34? You've got to be kidding me. I got a 64%. Dude, I tried. I actually tried on this. You've got to be kidding me. I actually really tried. How did I get that many wrong? That's ridiculous. I got the stupid question right. Hilariously. Okay, so I can see which ones are wrong. So I'll copy the answers for all the ones I got right. I answered 92,000 on this. I'm certain I answered 92,000. I'm stupid. I meant to answer 92,000 for this question. Are you kidding me? Dude, I want to see, does it say what the average score for this was? I mean, it's doesn't count yet because I have 2 attempts. Let's just see. The average median was 30.5. Interesting. I was way below average. I meant to answer 92,000 on this. This is hilarious, dude. This is hilarious. I meant to answer 92,000. And I was a stupid idiot and answered... How did that even happen? B of freaking course. Okay. We only have one more attempt. So I can get a second guess on stuff. So... Right off the bat, I'm going to answer 92,000, which I stinking meant to answer. I meant to answer that. You've got to be kidding me. 92,000. B. How did I answer wrong? I'm such a moron. 2, I got the right answer somehow. The answer is C. 3, I got the right answer. The answer is B, increase in taxable income of 3,000. So I can just memorize the answer. 4, the answer is D, $300 refund. 5, B is the answer, which is 2,000. 6, A is the answer, which is home mortgage interest expense. Okay, it's looking like I can just answer the letters for these. 7. Okay, I'll double check though. A is 3,000 net short-term capital gain. Number 8, I got wrong. Yeah, this was a hilarious question. This was hilarious. I'm just going to skip the ones I got wrong first. Number 9, I got correct. Number 9, the answer is D. $55 something, blah, blah, blah. Number 10, the answer is C, earned income credit. 11, the answer is A, Jenny and Jim. 12, the answer is C, 2401. 13, the answer is B, what? Okay, 12, the answer is C, 2401. 13, the answer... 13, the answer is B, 2... 12, 13, the answer... 13, the answer is B, 2014. 14, the answer is D, it's 4,600. D. 15, got it wrong. 16, got it wrong. 17, got it wrong. 18, got it wrong. And 19, I got the last 4 questions wrong. How did that happen? That's awesome. The first question, I should have answered B, but I was an idiot and answered C for no apparent reason, because I'm an idiot. So apparently, I got number 8 wrong. What did I do in 8? Okay, 8, I remember 8. 8, my second guess for 8, I answered B, it was wrong. So I guess A is the answer. You're supposed to include the entire airfare because so I said B because it's 50% of meals, but a stupid question did not specify that it was spent at restaurants in the year 2022. Stupid. That was funny. Wow, that was funny. Bye.